Good morning and welcome to all of my students. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce the third course in the series, Trading Master 103. This course is now live and I am teaching how to use the Fibonacci retracements like a pro. I would like to welcome all of my students to join this new course and further advance their trading skills. This course is an intermediate level course in trading. You can use it on the stock market, on the forex markets, the commodity markets, the indices, the bonds, etc., on just about everything. The course is priced at $99.99. However, for my students and for a limited time period, I'm only charging $9.99, which can be availed by entering the following coupon code. Trading Master 103 comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't think that it was worth it, after you've completed the entire course, you will get a full refund. There is a preview video and a number of preview videos for this course, so I would like you to go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you inside, and let's go ahead and explore Fibonacci.